Let's see if you can solve this polynomial equation. To solve a polynomial equal to 0, we want to get it into factored form. And because there's 4 terms, I'm going to think of the first 2 terms as a group and the last 2 terms as a group, and we'll see if factoring by grouping works. From the first group, I could common factor in 8x cubed. When I divide them both by 8x cubed, I get x plus 2. And from the last group, there's nothing other than a 1 we could take out, but I'll write it and then divide them both by 1. It's still x plus 2. Notice there is a common binomial of x plus 2. I can common factor out that common binomial of x plus 2. And then what we're left with is 8x cubed plus 1 as the second factor. We could just set each of these factors equal to 0. And now solve each of these equations. X could be equal to negative 2, or 8x cubed could be equal to negative 1, which means x cubed is equal to negative 1 over 8. And then if we cube root both sides, I would get x equals negative 1 over 2. Time to try another question.